Hi, this is Trissy with Hillsboro Jewelry Designers in beautiful downtown Seffner, Florida. Now I'm going to be teaching how to make a shag or a dangle earring. This is a modified short shag, and I start with these beautiful 10mm 16 gauge twists that I get at Fire Mountain Gems. I just love Fire Mountain. And I love these twists. The only difficult thing about them is finding the opening, but you can feel kind of with your fingers where the opening is. Also, I suggest if you're older like me to use those special glasses that you can get at the dollar store. They're great. They're wonderful. So I start with the 10mm 10mm 16 gauge. And I use, let's see, 11 of those and 2 of the 8mm 16 gauge, of course 1 earring wire, and Joann Fabrics. I bought these they're size 2 check glass beads, and they're different colors here. I'll show you afterwards the dangles that I made with the variegated, but on this one I'm using all dark blue. I think that looks really pretty with the silver. And as you can see, I lay everything out, and of course I put the beads on the jump rings. So we'll go ahead and start, and I'll pick this up, and let's see, I'm going to go ahead and close this, and as you can see, you close it by pulling it back and forth and kind of making sure it's in there tightly. Then we're going to put the larger ring on, and working from the inside out, put 2 on the left side and 2 on the right side, and close it. Make sure you have like a tight close. Okay, then we're going to pick up the other middle ring and do the same thing, working from the inside out, 2 and 2. There we go. Okay, and close it. There. Now we'll pick up the smaller ring, because this is going to make the bottom dangle. And, oops, yeah, that's right. And then put the larger ring on with the bead, close it, and there we have the dangle. Okay, and this is what it looks like with all with a variegated. And I also made one in gold, and I call this like the grapes of wrath. They have green and like purple, and this is with the gold twists, which are really pretty. And I made another one so you could see with lavender, pretty lavender and silver. And just remember, check us out at meetup.com, Hillsboro Jewelry Designers. Thanks so much.